ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
I am SP1 Felix Solberg-Lang, Lao Police Station. Manuel Mugal, you are under arrest of illegal possession of firearms. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed for you. Do I understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Manuel Fajardo Mugal, male, married, 35 years old, and a resident of Poblacion Panglao. Arrested in May 29, 2024 at 3 p.m. in Poblacion Panglao after the station received the report through a phone call from Mr. Juan de la Cruz, resident of Poblacion Panglao, that the accused is roaming around the street carrying a .45 caliber hidden in his bag. The court on several occasions ruled that the testimony of a representative of the PNP Firearms and Explosives attesting that the person has a license to carry firearms but has no permit to carry firearms outside residence without any legal authority. Thus, the accused of the crime of illegal possession of firearms under Republic Act number 10591, Section 31, is found guilty and imprisonment of 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. So ordered.
Attorney, wala na may line kung makikita na padali o gawa sa kasuhan?
You have 15 days to perfect an appeal, if not to apply probation in the same court. So, unsa may gusto nimo, ma-apply tag probation or dili?
Ma-apply naman ta, attorney, basi na ma-aprobahan na ito.
Sige. Uy, hapit naman day 15 days sukad nagaan ang verdict si Kugal. Ipasa na uri iyang application for probation.
Guys, muna po man di ay ko PNP Panglao ni para ihatod ni notice to prosecuting officer kay para makibaw sila nga ni-apply o probation tong nadakpa nila pag niagi.
Ay ma'am, palasa na ma'am.
Ordered letter ni gikan sa court para magkanda og face eye.
Parang gapin sa ma'am.
Para ni Mr. Manuel Cugal.
Katunay, nadapan sa itong parang illegal firearms ma'am?
Oo, kato siya.
Ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Tara sa Manuel Mugal, schedule niya.
Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Cugal. Ready na ka sa imong interview karon?
Yes, ma'am.
So, before ta mag-start, na-alipay pa naman ha. Ganun siya is consent ni na ikaw na kamatuot, tagaan ng consent na mag-conduct ng interview. Okay na ba? Kung ano ka na. Permani lang siya. Okay, thank you kayo. Start na ta. Mangutang na kung mo, ay nagkuhan mo ka-apply mo ka for probation. Can you confirm your full name, date of birth, and current address?
I am Manuel Mugal, 21 years old, came from Panglao.
Do you feel remorse or regret for your action, Mr. Cugal?
Yes, ma'am. gusto na ako magbago
Bago, para sa asa man ang pagkabago mo.
para sa pamilya.
Sige. So, ano naman tani? Then, mukuan na ko ha. Pabot lang taog ka ng unsay decision sa korte. Kung ma-apply ba ka, ma-applyan ba mo ang probation ni mo. Ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you kayo, Sir Kukan. Alihong po, balik sa Sir Kukan sa kuan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, sir! Gusto man ang trabaho diha?
Okay naman, ma'am.
Ang PSIR ni Kuan, Kugan, okay na to?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, pa doon ako.
Siya, si kasuhan na siya, kayo din si Sidis, ano ba na?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige, sige.
Padulong mo, ma'am.
Based on the PSIR, the applicant Manuel Fajardo Icugal was found qualified for probation. Therefore, this court ruled that the petitioner's application for probation is granted. Conditions of probation. Present himself to the probation officer designated to undertake his supervision at such place as may be specified in the order within 72 hours from receipt of the said order. Report to the probation officer at least once a month at such time and place as specified by the said officer. Cooperate with the program of supervision. Met his family responsibilities. Devote himself to specific employment and not change said employment without the prior written approval of the probation officer. Undergo medical, psychological, or psychiatric examination and treatment and entered and remain in a specified institution. Pursue a prescribed secular study or vocational training. Attend or reside in a facility established for instruction. Refrain from visiting houses of ill repute and abstain from drinking intoxicating beverage to excess. So ordered.
Yes.
Congrats.
Salamat, attorney.
Nalipay jud ko lang naka-appeal ka sa provision.
Mo lagi lang. Salamat sa Ginoo kay nakaabil ko. Hello? Kinsan eh? Ha? Na-hospital si mama? Sige, padong na ko na.
Tarag sa si Love.
Mo na to ha? Pag-amping dire.
Sige Love, pag amping pod, balita ilang ko kamama ha. Ina siya magpakaligon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon. Kani siya ba? Kanang Ma'am Birunggoy? Kani siya, palihog ko ani ni Mr. Ugal. Kay wala magud siya ka-report last month. Kani siya, need na niya siya nga i-arrest kay na-violate niya iyahang probation condition. They warrant of arrest and you're good to go na nga i-arrest siya. Palihog ko niya, ipakita na niya ha.
Copy ma'am.
Manuel Cugal, you are under arrest for serious violation of your probation condition.
Sir, ay sir! Usa na sila niya, sir! Mama! Sir!
So ordered.
Your Honor, the probationer is accused of the violations of the probation conditions on which the accused were not able to report in the Panolan probation officer in charge in his supervision. I would like to request other party to provide their evidence proving why the accused was not able to perform his duties as a probationer.
Your Honor, Mr. Ugal were not able to present himself to the probation officer designated to undertake his supervision for the reason that he travels to Cebu City since his mother was hospitalized. Here is a medical certificate of the mother of the accused being hospitalized, Your Honor, which will be labeled Exhibit A.
I would like to ask Your Honor if the counsel of the accused is not knowledgeable enough about the omnibus rules on probation, methods and procedures in which those procedures has no to be observed in case a probationer who wishes to travel outside the operational territorial jurisdiction of the Parole and Probation Office. If yes, that means, Your Honor, that the accused violated the condition since the counsel itself did not follow the rules.
Based on the evidence presented by the prosecutor about the violation report of probationer Manuel Fajardo A. Cugal, male, 25 years old, residents of Poblacion Banglao, guilty of the crime of illegal possession of firearms under Republic Act number 10591 on June 23, 2024. He applied probation and was granted on July 5, 2024. While the probation is ongoing, the probationer seriously violated the conditions in his probation. This court ruled that Manuel Fajardo A. Cugal, accused for seriously violating the condition on his probation, is found guilty. The court provides that the probation be revoked. The court ordered the probationer to serve the sentence originally imposed in the judgment of his case, for which he applied for probation.
Manuel Cugal!
Change for the better na lang to. Let's say!